What's up, friends? First, excuse the crazy hair and the beard. This is definitely my quarantine where I have not had a chance to get a haircut or go to the barber for my beard. But today I wanted to go do a quick video of the new Wyze lock. It came out a few months ago. I just recently bought a house, so I thought it'd be nice to have an automatic door lock instead of having to carry my key all the time. I do already have two Wyze cameras, and I thought they were affordable. We use them to watch the dogs. So I thought I would try out this new lock and let you guys know what it looked like. So I'm going to do an unboxing and a quick little setup video. Let me know what y'all think below. Alright, so here we have the box it came in. It should be a FedEx. That was a nice little box. Not too difficult to open. Has the basics here on the outside: Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, enabled smart lock. Found some of the features on the side. And when you first open it, you get the little manual. It doesn't say much. It tells you to download the app basically. You get 4 AA Duracell batteries. You get this little plug, which apparently is what connects it to the actual lock. Sorry for my editing here, I got a phone call for work. Kind of messed me up a little bit. And of course you get the actual lock. And the plate does come off. You'll see a little bit later in the video. And then you get this little plate that mounts to the old hardware. Some adapters depending on what hardware you have, and a little Allen wrench / screw thing. So first thing, when you open up the Wyze app, you just hit add device. You're going to go search for the lock setup. It's going to ask you to plug in the Wyze thing. Not too difficult. When you get back, put it in pairing mode. Once it's flashing, it'll start searching for it. I did edit out my Wi-Fi and my serial number. But once you connect all that, it'll take a few seconds to go through everything. But it'll connect and get set up and then get you to the instructions. Alright, now to the fun part. First, you're just going to remove the screws off of your old deadbolt. This is pretty simple. It comes with a little screwdriver Allen wrench thing, but I just decided to use my drill. It was a little bit faster. Then you're going to get the little hardware adapter that comes in, and those 2 first screws you took out, you will put them in and screw them on. If they're too long, it does come with shorter screws, but mine fit just fine. Alright, once you get that done, you are going to get the adapter that goes that matches onto it. You'll see it in the app. Mine was a slanted one, which was blue. So you get that out and you will put it over the little middle piece, and this will allow you to attach the actual lock here. So once you get that on, you can fit the lock right on the top. But I had to wiggle it a few times. I'm not the most handy person, if you can't tell, but it does kind of just stick there, and you're going to get the Allen wrench to screw in the 2 screws just to attach it to the base that you just installed. I didn't want to use my drill because I was afraid I was going to strip them out. But once you get these done, it will be nice and tight. So once you get that done, you'll add the batteries, and it's going to ask you to pair it. Don't put that on yet, I messed up. Hold that button down and pair it to your phone. Once you get all that set up and go through the setup, you can put the plate back on and it will be connected, and it's going to ask you to go through a setup just so it can tell when the door is open, close, and ajar, because this thing does automatically know, and it can lock when you leave the house and unlock as you approach, which is pretty cool. I did mess up here. I had to move the camera because I wasn't able to open the door far enough. But as you can see, it does work pretty well automatically. It seems sturdy. So the setup was pretty easy. I'm not the handiest person, but it literally took a not even a screwdriver, the Allen wrench it comes with, or if you have a little drill, it can make it a little bit easier. The setup was pretty painless. Following the instructions, I skipped ahead a few times and had it go back, but nothing too crazy. It seems to work well. I have it on my app. I can unlock it and lock it. You can connect it to Alexa and tell her to lock or unlock. And you can also share it with people. So if you need someone to come to your house, I believe you can share it, but you can definitely share it with someone permanently. So my girlfriend, I'd shared it with her and she'll be able to open it whenever she wants. I got it on sale, I think for $79. I believe it's normally $99. I think it's probably going to be worth it. I'll do a follow-up video here in a few months, see how everything works, but so far so good. I hope to get more videos out here soon. I know I haven't really had time with moving into the new house and stuff, but with quarantine, got lots of time on my hands. So if there's any products out there, let me know. I'd like to buy them. I try to stick to stuff under $100 so normal people like us can afford them. But drop them in the comments and let me know, and we'll do an unboxing and setup and review. And please give this a like and subscribe if you can. It'd greatly help me out. See y'all later.